Max, hold on.
Run, Tom! Run!
Max! Max, stop yelling. Elephants are friendly animals. Don't forget him here to keep you safe. Stop running, turn around and look.
Okay, Tom.
You see, Max, nothing to worry about.
Wow, that elephant is so big.
Hey guys, please help me put the elephants with their color. Let's match them together. Grey elephant goes with the grey. Grey. Orange elephant goes with orange. Orange. Yellow elephant goes with yellow. Yellow. Grey elephant goes with the grey. Grey. Blue elephant goes to blue. Blue. Orange elephant goes with orange. Orange. Red elephant goes to red. Red. Green elephant goes to green. Green. Red elephant goes to red. Red. Yellow elephant goes with yellow. 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 Blue elephant goes to blue. Blue. Green elephant goes to green. Green. Red. Orange. Blue. Yellow. Green. Grey. Good job. Thank you.
Adventures with Max. Hey, are you ready to go on an adventure with me? I had a dream I was being chased by an elephant. A big, big elephant. I got an idea. Let's go see elephants with Tom, our animal expert. Do you know what noise an elephant makes? Yes, they make a loud noise with their trunk. Let's go see them. Are you ready? Let's call Tom. Tom, let's go on an adventure.
I am coming. Hey Max, another adventure.
Hi, Tom. Thanks for coming.
What do you want to see?
Let's go see elephants.
Elephants. Okay. You guys ready? Come on, let's go.
Come on, guys, let's go.
While we are traveling, let's play Can You Find the Elephant? Try to find the orange elephant. Hurry up. Time's almost up. Did you find the orange elephant? Good job. If you didn't, it's okay, just go back to find it. Let's go back to Max. Max, are you ready to see some elephants?
Yes, are we almost there?
We are close. Do you hear the elephants?
Yes, I do. Wow, there are so many of them.
Yes, this is called a herd of elephants. It is led by a female elephant. It is easier for them to find food as a group.
Amazing! Do you guys see the elephants? Look, there is elephants in the water.
Yes, they are drinking water with their trunk.
Tom, can you tell us all about them?
Sure thing, Max. You guys ready?
Hey, before Tom tells us more about the elephants, let's play Find the Blue Elephant. Find this elephant. Are you ready? Let's find the elephant. Hurry up! Time's almost up. Did you find the blue elephant? If you didn't, it's okay. You can go back and find it. Come on, let's go. Tom's waiting for us. Okay, Tom, we are ready.
Okay, guys, come closer. Elephants are herbivores, which means that they only eat plants. They can eat up to 300 pounds of vegetation in a single day. Elephants are also very strong and can carry heavy objects with their trunks. In fact, their trunks are a combination of their nose and upper lip, and they use them for a variety of tasks such as drinking, smelling, and picking up objects. Elephants can live for up to 70 years in the wild. That's longer than most other animals. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They are much larger than cars. In fact, an adult elephant can weigh up to 13,000 pounds and can stand up to 10 feet tall. This means that an elephant is much taller and heavier than most cars. They are known for their big ears, long trunks, and ivory tusks. Elephants are also very social animals and live in groups called herds. Did you know that elephants are intelligent and have great memories? They can remember places, people, and other elephants for many years. Also, did you know that elephants can communicate with each other using sounds that are too low for humans to hear? Elephants are truly fascinating creatures. Finally, it's important to remember that elephants are not just animals. They are also important members of our planet's ecosystem. By working together to protect elephants, we can help ensure that they continue to thrive for generations to come. And that's all I have on the elephants. Hope you had fun.
Thank you, Tom. Hey, do you want to color the elephants with me? Great! Come on! Elephant, go to red. Good job! Elephant, go to yellow. That's wrong, elephant, you went to green. Elephant, go to yellow. Good job. Elephant, go to blue. Good job. Elephant, go to green. That's wrong, elephant, you went to red. Elephant, go to green. Good job. Good job, guys. Blue. Red. Green. Yellow.
Good job coloring the elephants with Max. See you on the next adventure.
Goodbye, Tom. I have to go back home. Thank you for joining me on this adventure.